Hello everyone, a big welcome to this tutorial on LinkedIn professional networking through AI. I'm really excited to have you here as we explore how AI can make LinkedIn networking easier, smarter, and more effective. Now, why this course? Let's be honest, networking on LinkedIn can feel overwhelming. You know it's important, but what do you write in a connection request? How do you make your profile stand out? How do you keep posting regularly without spending hours thinking about what to say? That's where artificial intelligence come in. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek can help you to write better connection requests and messages. It also can create engaging LinkedIn posts without struggling for ideas. Improve your LinkedIn profile to attract better opportunities. And the best part is you don't need to be a technology expert to use them. So what you'll learn in this course? In simple terms, this course will show you number one, how AI can save time and make networking effortless. Instead of spending hours thinking about what to write, AI can help you quickly create professional messages, posts, and responses in just a few clicks. Number two, how to write clear and professional messages with AI assistance. AI tools can suggest well-structured, polite, and effective messages for connecting with professionals, responding to recruiters, or engaging with posts. Number three, how to use AI to boost your LinkedIn profile and online presence. AI can help you improve your LinkedIn summary, headline, and posts. This will make your profile more attractive to employers, clients, and industry leaders. Number four, the do's and don'ts of AI. While using AI, what we should do or we should not do in professional networking. While AI is powerful, it's important to use it wisely. This course will guide you on how to maintain authenticity, personalize AI-generated content, and avoid common mistakes. This course is designed for everyone, whether you are a student, a working professional, or a business owner. You will see real-life examples, step-by-step demonstrations, and practical exercises to help you apply what you learn. So let's get started. If you have ever struggled with networking on LinkedIn, this course will guide you. Let's dive into the session and see how AI can make LinkedIn work for you.
Think of LinkedIn as more than just an online resume. It's a powerful platform where you can connect with professionals from all over the world, expand your network, and discover new opportunities. You can use it to showcase your skills and experience, letting professional employers and collaborators see what you bring to the table. LinkedIn also provides access to a wealth of job opportunities and industry insights, keeping you informed about the latest trends. Most importantly, it's a place where you can build and manage your professional brand, establishing yourself as a thought leader in your field. Now, let's explore some of LinkedIn key features and benefits. First, profile optimization. Crafting a compelling online resume is crucial. A well structured profile highlights your skills and experience, making you more visible to recruiters. Networking is another core feature. You can connect with industry leaders, peers, and potential mentors, expanding your professional circle. The job search function is incredibly powerful, allowing you to find relevant job postings and apply directly to the platform. From continuous learning, LinkedIn Learning offers a vast library of courses to enhance your skills and stay competitive. Finally, content sharing lets you share insights, participate in industry discussions, and establish yourself as a thought leader. Using these features effectively can significantly boost your professional growth and visibility. Today's tutorial on LinkedIn Professional Networking through AI is designed to transform how you approach LinkedIn using AI. LinkedIn is a powerhouse for career growth, but crafting personalized content can drain time. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek can automate tasks while preserving authenticity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll master AI-driven strategies to create impactful posts, messages, and profiles without sacrificing your personal thoughts. Here's what we'll cover: how AI simplifies LinkedIn networking, from drafting posts to optimizing profiles, crafting laser-focused prompts for precise AI output, real-world application, case studies of professionals using AI effectively, ethical guardrails, avoiding pitfalls like over-reliance or privacy breaches. AI tools like ChatGPT utilize a technology called natural language processing or NLP to understand and mimic human writing. Think of them as incredibly advanced writers, but they need clear direction to produce the best results. Now, the key to unlocking the power of AI writing lies in your prompts. You can think of prompts as GPS coordinates. If you simply say, "Take me somewhere," you will get a vague response. Similarly, if your prompt is too broad, the AI's output will be generic. Let's look at an example. A weak prompt might be, "Write a LinkedIn post." This is like telling the AI, "Go anywhere." You will get a very general, probably uninspiring post. A strong prompt, on the other hand, is like inputting precise coordinates. For example, draft a LinkedIn post announcing my promotion to senior UX designer at Google. Highlight my focus on accessibility design and gratitude to mentors. Use a confident tone. This prompt gives the AI specific details about the role, company, focus, and desired tone, resulting in tailored, actionable content. So, what are the key principles of effective prompting? Key prompt principles: specificity. Include detail like the role, industry, and context. The more specific you are, the better the AI can understand your needs. Structure. Define achievements, call to action. This helps the AI organize the information. Tone. Specify the desired tone, such as professional, enthusiastic, or storytelling. This ensures the AI's output matches your intended style. Now, let's put these principles into practice with a short activity. I'm going to give you two prompts. In your groups, review them and decide which one is stronger and why. Here are the prompts. Write a connection request. Compose a LinkedIn request to XYZ, an economist. Mention her recent talk on macroeconomics and request a coffee chat. Take a few minutes to discuss within your groups. We'll then discuss the answers as a whole group. I'll walk through examples and we'll analyze case studies. So this is the first example, which is a connection request. We will have a case study. Maria, a cybersecurity analyst, used AI to connect to industry leaders. So the prompt may be, write a LinkedIn request to Mr. X, CTO at example company. Reference his article on zero trust security and express interest in membership. So we will actually directly put this prompt to ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and DeepSeek, and we will see what will be the output or generated text from this particular prompt. Okay, now we'll paste this prompt into ChatGPT first, and we'll look into the output. So the connection request is generated, and we can clearly see how quickly the ChatGPT has generated a very decent and how, how ChatGPT has generated a very decent connection request, and we can use it, and we can also tweak or or and we can also rewrite it whenever it is necessary or whenever we feel it necessary. Now let's move to Gemini and look how Gemini will actually generate the output. So we'll paste a prompt here again. So Gemini, you can see the Gemini have generated a longer connection request. So we can pick either from ChatGPT or from Gemini, or we can mix the sentences, or we can pick the best sentences from both the LLMs. Again, we will look into the DeepSeek for the same prompt. Here we can see this is called thinking mode, where we can see what the DeepSeek or the LLM thinks about our prompt, what it is thinking about, how to write, it is planning. Okay, so this is an advanced feature. So we can, for the time being, we can uh, off it. So here is the output from DeepSeek. Additionally, you can see DeepSeek has given some prompts also. Sorry, not prompts. These are tips, key tips, how to actually make things more clearer and better. So this is a very simple prompt, and using this prompt, we can make connection requests to look like more professional and send to our role models or any person in our domain to reach out for a connection. So we have seen how we can give the prompt directly to ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek, and quickly we can get the desired output. Now let's move to the second example. In this example, we want to write a job announcement. Our case study is Raj, who is a project manager, landed 3 interviews, and Raj wants to announce this in his LinkedIn connections or LinkedIn profile. So what will be the prompt? There is an example prompt. Announce my new role as PM. PM means project manager at one example company we have picked greenenergy.co. Include my passion for sustainability, key goals, and a thank you to my MBA cohort. So let's see how this prompt generates the desired job announcement post for us. Okay, first again we will check the prompt in ChatGPT. The ChatGPT has generated the job announcement post, I'm thrilled to share that I have joined greenenergy.co as a product manager. So this is what we have supplied here. PM at greenenergy.co. And now you can see uh, here we can see we have a sentence called this opportunity aligns perfectly with my passion for sustainability and innovation. Because why these things were included? Because in the prompt itself we have included these things, passion for sustainability. Okay, next we see whether these things are included or not. Yeah, in this role my focus will be driving impactful products that accelerate the transition to renewable energy. So these are my key goals. uh, the last part was thank you to my MBA cohort. So here, the last part of the prompt, I use thank you to my MBA cohort mentors and peers who have been a source of knowledge, inspiration, and support throughout the journey. I'm excited. So you see, the prompt actually, uh, whenever we have given any kind of prompt, ChatGPT will follow all the things we have included in the prompt and try to actually include all those things in the prompt. Here hashtags are also generated, though we need not mention about that. Additionally, ChatGPT has also created some hashtags for us. Now, let us check how Gemini will actually generate the output for this prompt. Okay, you can see the generated output from Gemini. It seems longer as compared to ChatGPT. So, yes, Gemini have actually generated a longer response to our prompt. We can also check the same prompt in DeepSeek. Let the thinking mode off for the time being. So we will wait. Okay, here is the generate output coming from DeepSeek. Okay, the length of the output from DeepSeek is nearly same as ChatGPT. It's shorter, but Gemini have given a longer response in our case. So again, we can pick from these three options. That means either from ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek. Here, Gemini, what the Gemini has done to our prompt, we have written that new role as PM at Green Energy Co. So yes, it is captured here. Then again, include my passion for sustainability. Uh, yeah, in the second para, we can see for years I have been driven by address climate change and build a more sustainable future. It is well captured. Then again, my goals. Yeah, it is point wise actually. Gemini have given the role, sorry, my goals. It's very good to see. Then there is a last part was thank you to my MBA cohort. Yes, in the last part we can see I want to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to my MBA cohort. So all the things we injected in our prompt, Gemini has generated all these things along with some hashtags. Though, like ChatGPT, we haven't included those things in our prompt. Still, Gemini also have given the hashtags. Again, in DeepSeek also, everything is captured. I think yes, everything is captured. I'll be focused. That was our passion for sustainability. Then my goals, and the last part. Thank you to my MBA cohort is also included. So this is how we can easily generate our new job announcement post. Okay, now we will look into two more examples. Here is the example number 3, creating a LinkedIn article. So in LinkedIn, we may write articles about any topic. In this case, we want to write an article about future of AI in electronic media. Here I have written the prompt, draft a LinkedIn article on the future of AI in electronic media, covering trends, challenges, and opportunities. We will see how ChatGPT, then Gemini, and DeepSeek actually generate this article for us, which we can modify and then publish it in the LinkedIn. So let us first paste the prompt into ChatGPT. Let us put this into Gemini also. Gemini have generated all the requested content for our post or article in the LinkedIn. Again, we check DeepSeek. Okay, generation complete in all the 3 LLMs. ChatGPT has covered all the things like trends, AI in electronic media, then challenges, then opportunities for the future. Let us look at Gemini. Okay, Gemini also covered emerging trends, then challenges and opportunities also. DeepSeek, same. It has developed everything generated. Okay, this is how we have seen 3 examples on our request as a prompt to the system. All the 3 popular large language models have generated all our requested prompts. Main thing here we have to concentrate on that is an ethical consideration. We'll look into this in a more detail later on. So though these uh, contents are generated very easily and very quickly, always you see here even the generated content of our prompt here, you can see like, see, there is a point where we can see an ethical concern, then data privacy issues. So these are very, very serious things. Like we should not directly copy and paste all this content. To this prompt or whatever the generation LLM provides, that should be a guiding point. Now let's move to the next example. So let us talk about recommendation request. We all need them at some point, whether for jobs, graduate school, or professional opportunities. But asking for a strong recommendation can be daunting. That's where AI can be incredibly helpful. In this example, we are focusing on a specific scenario. You need a recommendation from someone who knows your work well and is an expert in the field. Imagine you want a recommendation from your former manager, Emily. She has seen your work firsthand and is highly respected in the industry. How do you craft a request that's both professional and effective? You could use a prompt like this: write a message to my former manager, Emily, requesting a recommendation. Highlight my leadership during the 2023 product launch. I leave this to you to test the prompt yourself. Okay, we'll now see something slightly different. We all know AI is powerful, but even the best AI tools are only as good as the prompts we give them. Today, we are going to show you how a simple prompt can be transformed into something truly effective through a little refinement. Let us take a look at a weak example and see how we can improve it. Our initial prompt is: write a post about my AWS cloud certification. Now, while this might get you a response, it's going to be very generic. Let us test it on ChatGPT. We'll paste the prompt into ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT generate it. We'll paste it again in Gemini, in DeepSeek too. Okay, let it generate. We will check the output from ChatGPT. Okay, here is the output. This is to generate. Let us check Gemini also. Okay, it has, as always, it has generated a longer response, but it will be again generate. See, it's factual, but it lacks context, personality, and impact. Now, let's define this prompt. We will ask, draft a LinkedIn post announcing my AWS cloud certification. Explain how it aligns with my goal to transition from IT support to cloud architecture. Use a proud but humble tone. Okay, we'll put it in Gemini also, and DeepSeek too. Okay, it is generated. Notice the difference. The refined prompt provided context, specified the platform like LinkedIn, outlined the desired tone, proud but humble, and clarified the goal. This resulted in a much more engaging and impactful post. You can check that the second prompt gives us a very human touch to the generation. In Gemini also, we can check the previous one and the latest one in DeepSeek. So this is now very personalized, but we are not done yet. Remember, you can use follow-up commands to further refine the AI's output. For example, you could say shorten this by 20% if you need a more concise version, or add emojis to make it engaging if you want to add some visual flair. By refining your prompts and using follow-up commands, you can guide the AI to produce exactly what you need. We will test it in Gemini because already in ChatGPT and DeepSeek, the response, okay, DeepSeek has a longer response. So we will test it in Gemini first, then we will go for DeepSeek. Okay, let's wait. Uh, put this in DeepSeek also. Okay, let's check Gemini. See, this was the initial response, which was our modified prompt from the first prompt. So it's a bit longer. Now, after the follow-up prompt, it is shortened by 20%, and emojis are also added like this and this. Let us check DeepSeek. Okay, in DeepSeek 2, you can see the generation is shorter now with lots of emojis here. This one, this one. So it's good. Remember, AI is a tool and you are the one in control. Now we will examine a very serious issue about ethical consideration. AI is undeniably powerful. It's revolutionizing how we work, communicate, and create. But let's be honest, it's far from perfect. Today, we're going to dive into the ethical risks that comes with AI's growing influence and more importantly, discuss practical solutions. Let us start with a common scenario. Imagine a person eager to expand his professional network uses AI to generate 100 connection requests. Sounds efficient, right? Result: zero replies. And worse, 5 people flagged his request as spam. Why? Because they were completely generic, lacking any personal touch. It's a classic example of AI being used without considering the human element. So, what's the solution? Always personalize AI drafts. Use AI to get starting points, but don't blindly copy and paste. Tailor the message to the individual, referencing their work, shared interests, or anything that shows you have actually taken the time to learn about them. AI is a tool, not a replacement for genuine connections. Now let's talk about a more serious issue: data privacy. Consider another person who, in an attempt to streamline his workflow, pasted sensitive client data into a public AI tool. Unfortunately, this data was leaked, potentially exposing confidential information and violating client trust. This highlights a critical ethical risk: the potential for data breaches when using AI. How do we mitigate this risk? There is only one solution: never use AI tools for sensitive data. AI is a powerful tool, but it's crucial to use it responsibly. By understanding the ethical risks and implementing practical solutions like personalizing AI drafts and using secure enterprise grade tools, we can harness the power of AI while safeguarding our data and maintaining genuine human connections. Let's strive for an AI powered future that's both efficient and ethical.
As we come to the end of this course on LinkedIn Professional Networking through AI, I want to take a moment to summarize the key learnings and how you can start applying them right away. Why AI for LinkedIn networking? We started by understanding how AI is transforming LinkedIn networking, whether it's writing connection requests, crafting engaging posts, or optimizing your profile. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek help make these tasks faster, easier, and more effective. The key takeaways from this course: AI saves time and effort. AI tools help you draft LinkedIn messages, posts, and summarizes quickly, so you can focus on building real connections instead of worrying about what to write. Crafting clear and professional messages with AI. We saw how AI can suggest well-structured messages for connection requests, job inquiries, thank you notes, and follow-ups, making communication smooth and professional. Boosting your LinkedIn profile with AI, we explored how AI can help improve your LinkedIn headline, summary, and experience sections, making your profile stand out to recruiters, clients, and industry peers. Using AI ethically and effectively. AI is a great tool, but it should be used responsibly. We discussed the importance of reviewing AI generated content, personalizing messages, and avoiding over reliance on automation to maintain authenticity. AI is here to assist you, not replace you. When used wisely, it can help you build meaningful professional relationships, create engaging content, and grow your career. Keep learning, experimenting, and making the most of LinkedIn with AI. Thank you for being part of this journey. Wishing you success in your professional networking. See you on LinkedIn.